Welcome back to Pickup Automotive, where we bring you the hottest and most powerful trucks hitting the road. Today, we're talking about a true performance icon making its comeback, the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Silverado SS pickup. This is not your average work truck. This is Chevy's muscle truck, built for speed, style, and street dominance. The 2026 Silverado SS commands attention the moment you see it. It's got a bold, sport-tuned front fascia with a blacked-out grille, aggressive LED headlights, and a lower, more aerodynamic stance compared to the standard Silverado. Unique SS badging, body-colored bumpers, flared fenders, and massive performance wheels wrapped in low-profile tires. Make it clear, this truck means business. Under the hood is where the magic happens. Chevy is expected to drop in a high-output 6.2-liter V8, pumping out well over 450 horsepower, paired with a performance-tuned 10-speed automatic transmission and an upgraded all-wheel drive system for blistering acceleration. Rumors even suggest a supercharged variant could be on the table, bringing this truck into sports car territory. With sport suspension, upgraded brakes, and performance exhaust, the Silverado SS is built to handle like no other pickup in its class. Inside, the SS blends muscle truck attitude with modern tech. You'll find sport bucket seats with SS embroidery, carbon fiber, and leather accents, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a massive infotainment screen running Chevy's latest system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Bose audio setup and head-up display keep things loud and clear. Whether it's your music or the roar of that V8, the bed may not be the star here, but it's still practical with a spray-in liner, multiple tie-down points, and a power tailgate for everyday utility. Driving the 2026 Silverado SS isn't just about going fast, it's about the experience. With launch control, selectable drive modes, and a throaty exhaust note, every trip feels like an event. Whether you're on the highway or just rolling through town, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado SS pickup is here for drivers who want the utility of a truck but the heart of a performance car. It's big, it's bold, and it's built to make a statement every time you hit the gas. So, would you choose the Silverado SS over a Ram TRX or Ford Raptor? Let us know in the comments, and stay locked on Pickup Automotive for more first looks at the fastest and fiercest trucks on the market.